And welcome back to the Credit K's YouTube channel where we talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, everything to help you level up in life. We about that. Today we're back with a consumer loan product. Um, Basically a personal loan. Very simple to get with approved credit scores. I'm going to get into all the data points. So if this is something you like, learning about personal loans, learning about credit cards, learning about finance, learning how to actually get approved for these accounts, these loans, these cards. Stop wasting inquiries, stop getting denied. Then hit that like button, smash the subscribe button because I'm here daily with credit content to help you level up, man. All right, so let's get into it. Upstart. You see the thumbnail, you see what we talk about. I was actually approved for these guys for $30,000 personal loan back in what was that 2019. So I've been a part with this program. I actually successfully paid off the loan towards the end of last year. It was a 3-year loan, and that loan actually helped me get out of credit card debt. I had very, very high utilization on actually 2 credit cards. I took portion of that loan, paid those credit cards down to about 10%, kept a little bit of the other money for some other expenses. I invested in some crypto and some things around that time with it as well. And yeah, crypto actually ended up paying off a portion of the loan after last year's run. So it kind of worked out, guys. But this Upstart, they pulled actually all 3 of my bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you do receive a pre-qualified offer, you have a mail offer, you do have a pre-qualified offer, definitely take advantage of that. That'll approve your approval status, let you get approved a lot faster. This they land, I want to say they land all over the country. I haven't When I was going through, I didn't see a certain states that they work with. So any state that you guys in, all 50 states, shouldn't have any issues. And also a great thing about Upstart, they have a pre-qual. So you don't have to, risk the inquiry. You'll know what you're qualified for before you go through this, final submission and get that hard inquiry. They will let how much you're going to make. I mean, how much you're going to be loaned to, how much you have to repay, and the repayment period. They go all the way up to $100,000, up to, I believe, 5 years on the loan repayment. But of course, you're going 5 years, you're going to be paying back a lot more money, even though your monthly payments are a lot lower. The overall payment over the next 4 years is going to be a lot higher with the interest. So I always advise you guys to pick the smallest time frame that you can afford, and that'll work for you guys. So looks like Upstart, they work with auto dealers, other lenders, and borrow. We are the borrower. And like I said, you can do an auto refinance. They have a lot of products. I'm mostly covering the personal loan, but the auto finance, and then these credit card consolidation, debt consolidation, home improvement, medical, all of these are pretty much the same, under the same realm. The personal loan rates may be different for these, but all I did was credit card consolidation. I got approved, no docs. I didn't have to submit any bank statements or anything. So that was amazing as well. So let's kind of get into what we do with Upstart. Um, some of the guys from my Facebook group was mentioning that they got approved for this and the Upstart credit card. Actually, it's Upgrade credit card. I apologize. It's not an Upstart, it's Upgrade. But they did get approved for the Upstart personal loan. So if you're interested in my Facebook group, I have a link down in the description below. You can go get added to my Facebook group. I answer all questions, any credit questions, any advice you have for others, please feel free to share it in there. And also, if you got a question for this or any other credit topic, please leave a comment down below. Even if you want to drop a one, just to let you know you're here, you're rocking with me. Just drop a one in the comments, man. If you like the channel, you like what I'm providing. If you got any constructive criticism, you tired of these type videos, you want to hear about something else, let me know. If I get something wrong, if data points change, if they're not pulling TransUnion anymore, and when you get your hard pull, let me know. So let's go into it. So what I will always advise is pick debt consolidation, paying off credit cards, things of that nature. Those are usually get you the highest approval chances. If you are, I've had seen people, do it for trying to apply for a car, or doing it to repair their house. They usually get denied for that. Not sure why that's a red flag. And credit card consolidation and debt consolidation gets you through there, but that's what it is. Here is the amount, $50,000. We're going to try for 50. We're just going to go through this approval process, give you guys some data points and some of the things I did to get approved, and some things you do not want to put on the application that will get you denied. And so we're going to pay off credit cards. That's fine. And you enter in your name. Birth date. Now, also, location plays a part in this loan. If you are in a large Northeast city or West Coast city, and you're going to put your average income is around 80,000, 80,000 in New York and LA is kind of like 50,000 the rest of the country. Now, if you put 80,000 and you're in Montana, or you're in, West Virginia, then that money goes a long ways, and they are more likely to approve you. So here, when you put your address, you definitely have to put your correct address, because they will confirm that off your off the soft pull. But just be mindful that this is no doc, and that you want to present the best case forward for your approval settings. Let's just throw this in there, whatever. Put in. So you got the standard stuff. You type in phone numbers, email address. You can authorize them to send you text messages or whatever. It's not necessary. Highest level education. You can be very truthful on that. That doesn't matter. Unless you're going back to school, then that could have a potential effect. Now, this is new. I haven't seen this. I'm glad I went through this. Tell us about your bachelor's program. So I did say I was yeah, I am a bachelor's degree holder from Georgia Southern University. Shout out to GSU, Southern Not State. But I'm gonna see what school. Whatever, Grammar State, that's fine. Accounting, and I graduated in 2009. Let's say that. And what's your primary source of income? Is my salary job, and they're gonna get into how much you make. Like I said, what's your job title? So if you have a high kind of prestigious job title, you'll probably have it likely more chances to get approved. You can put the company in there, all this information, and the annual income. I'm going to put 6 figures on here. I would definitely advise putting something over $80,000, no matter where you live. And you can be truthful in this. You got some money in investment accounts. Whoop de whoop. Have you taken out any new loans in the past 3 months? Now, this will almost automatically decline you. Credit cards are not considered loan car loan is considered a loan. Of course, home loan is considered a new loan. So if you have taken out a new loan within the past 3 months, wait 3 months before you apply for any personal loan. That's a rule of thumb applying for anything. If you have any new loan, new account within the past 3 months, wait 3 months. That's what we call gardening. You're gardening, waiting for your credit score to rise and grow and let things kind of age before you start applying. So that's gardening. And if you, like I said, have a loan before 3 months, don't apply. Just bag out the application. Come back in 3 months. If you haven't, be truthful. Say no. And you can access your account anytime. Do this. What I made a password. Okay, check your rate. Now, it's the fun part. They're telling you that agree to check your rate will not affect your credit score. All right, guys. So I put a bunch of fake information in there, and none of that stuff lined up with me. So I will not be doing the next part, but as you'll see, the next part, once they check the rate, they will give you how much you're approved for, which, how much they'll give you, and you can kind of slide that scale. So say they approve you of 30,000, you don't have to take the whole 30,000. You can slide the scale down to 10,000, take the 10,000, they'll give you your terms, your repayments, how much you got to repay a month, and you're all good, guys. So remember, initial soft pull. Once you go through the soft pull and agree with the loan, they will do a hard pull. I've never seen anybody get approved for the soft pull with this company and then denied for the hard pull. So if you do get the soft pull, you have a 99.999% chance of approval. Just remember, when I checked my report back in 2019, they pulled Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Those data points may have changed within 3 years. But on the plus side, like I said, if you do get the pre-qual, you will get the loan. So take advantage of that. Let's stop getting so many inquiries, guys. Take advantage of this great personal loan. Utilize it to lower your debt or utilize it to invest. Make sure you have a plan for this personal loan. Just don't get the money and be buying stuff. And then, you got like a, 10% interest rate and a $30,000 you got to pay back every month and within 3 years. So they're going to want at least 700, 750 per month, guys. So take advantage of everything we're doing here. Like I said, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button if you're still here, and join the Facebook group. Later.